back to the channel, guys. In this thrilling episode, we install our River Rock shower pan tile. We finalize the shower, install all the tile to the ceiling, finalize the niche and the curb, and before we do that, of course, finalize backerboard and waterproofing. So here we go. We are installing the shower tile today, 20 inch by 20 inch rectified porcelain. Let's show you our setup and progress and tell you what we have in mind for today and tomorrow. The shower should take 2 days for build. We have the IQ running today, cutting nice and clean. There we go. We're using AccuFloor, 1/16 of an inch for our tile leveling system. We're installing this in a straight pattern, again 20 by 20, rectified porcelain, fulls, deco behind here. Our shower pan is installed, excuse the mess. We're gonna knock this shower out again. 2 days, back wall, 2 side walls, Schluter jolly, mitered around the niche and Schluter jolly for the outsides of the shower. Here we go. Well, here we go. The tile is going up very, very fast with these 20 by 20s. It's been less than an hour. Full tiles, and close to a full tile up there, 17 inches. So it's gonna look symmetrical and balanced. Good little trick to hold up your tiles. Either reverse your clamp or clip in some 1/2 inch foam board. And we're really liking these clips by AccuFloor. Let's continue. Okay, here is the glass we will install behind the niche for our decorative focal point. for this episode. On the next one, we grout, install floor, install vanity, paint the bathroom, and install all of the fixtures. And then I'll show you the final product of this budget bathroom build. Don't forget to tap subscribe, tap the bell notification, tap like if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.